Hello friends, today we will learn how to add a motif to any leaf by making a dual side object. First, we will create the leaf using the dual side object. To create the motif, first, go to the tools, then go to the edit style option. After going to new, we will set the name. From here, we can zoom in another point. Turn on the insert mode and add points in this way. After creating the motif, press OK to save it. Here, we will set the spacing. Then, go to the advanced settings and add the motif from there. Turn on the Sweep to Fit option and then press OK. To add angels to the design, we can use the Multiple Direction option.